Hey guys, this is Diversity Minecraft 303 and I am playing Minecraft Pocket Edition in my Mega Treehouse. So, I think this is the treehouse that made me so good. So this is the entrance, I mean it's the thing that you wanna go. And I'm lagging. And this is the upstairs, guys. I'm sure, guys, this is very beautiful. So this is the sun. And this is the upstairs floor. Look at the sunset. Look at there, as you can see. I can see everything. Now let's go down. Down, all the way down. Wow. Oh, there we go. That's a better way to get over. So it's snow. Where's that noise coming from? Downstairs? I think it's downstairs. Hey. Not here, but I think it's on the door. Oh my god, there's a skeleton. Ow! Oh my god. Invisible. Game time. I'm gonna go enchant some. And I think the texture pack doesn't work because I don't know. Where's my bag? Oh, I have so many arrows and some bones. I think I take this lagging. So guys, I thank you for subscribing me. And this is the door. There's an iron golem. Why can't I'm so lagging. Downstairs more. So guys, this is the down. Where's that sound coming from? Let's close these doors. So this is my mega tree house. So guys, this is the tour for in my treehouse. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a like and share and download this because I uploaded this the NCP master. So guys, goodbye and hope you enjoy. Bye. Bye.